Okay, here's how to get the best tone out of your clarinet. Okay, number one, you want to sit or stand up straight. I had a kid, I thought his clarinet was broken because it sounded like, and it was just, he was so slouched that his clarinet sounded broken. So you want to sit up straight, look straight ahead, and you bring the clarinet to your mouth. You don't bring your mouth to the clarinet, right? Okay, the next thing you need is an undamaged reed that's attached correctly to the mouthpiece. Some of you guys are playing on reeds. I have seen reeds that look like this, okay? Kids playing on them. If you are playing on half a reed, it's going to really affect your tone and you're not going to sound very good. Okay? The next thing, you want to put your lower lips over your bottom teeth. Okay, like that. Okay, you don't want your bottom lip all spread out. You want your lower lip on top, covering your bottom teeth. Okay? Not all the way. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. Your top teeth. This is so important and kids hate it. I don't know why they hate it, but it drives me insane. You want your top teeth on top of the mouthpiece, like a little chipmunk. You want a little chipmunk, okay? You can see where my teeth, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you can see where my teeth have been on my clarinet mouthpiece, okay? And it's going to improve your tone so much if you put your top teeth on there. Okay, no puffy cheeks. Some kids are like, okay? Hear the difference? So no puffy cheeks. And then start the notes with your tongue. The top of the tip of your tongue should touch the top of the tip of the reed. Okay? Okay? You can't see inside my mouth, but okay? Don't cough, don't go. Okay? So if you do all of these 6 things, it'll really improve the tone on your clarinet by a lot. Okay? So do that every day. Practice in front of a mirror. Make sure, look for puffy cheeks, set a timer, and just stand in front of a mirror for 3 to 5 minutes. And okay? So that's that for now.